Today we'll solve page 70, 73 and 75, another worksheet. So let's start. Number one says, change these improper fractions into mixed number. So how can we solve this problem? Look, we can solve it very easy way. 9, 5, 14. We have to multiply only these two numbers. Okay. 9, 5, 45 plus 2. So 9 multiplied by 5 plus 2. 9, 5, 45 plus 2, that is 47. So 47 by 9 will be the answer of this one. Number B, 4 whole 1 by 3. So we'll multiply this 3 by 4, then we'll add with it. So 3 4 is 12 plus 1, 13. So numerator should be 13 and denominator is already given, that is 3. So 13 by 3 is the answer. Number C, 6 whole 3 by 7. So we have to multiply 6 by 7. Then we have to add the result with 3. So 6 7 42 plus 3, that will be 45. So 45 by 7. And number D, in a similar way, we can multiply this 9 by 9, this 2, 9 by 9 plus 1. 9 9 81 plus 1, that will be 82. So 82 by 9 will be the answer of number D. Okay. Now number 2. Number 2 says, give your answers in mixed number. So at first, this is given in division form. So from this division form, we can write as fraction form. Okay, 64 by 48. Now we can easily convert this one into lowest term. So we convert. So 64 and 48 both can be divisible by 8. Okay. So 8 8 just 64, 6 8 just 48. Again we can divide 8 and 6 both by 2. Then we get 2 4 is 8 and 2 3 is 6. Now 4 by 3. Just convert this one. 4 divided by 3. 3 1 is 3. Remainder is 1. So our final answer should be 1 whole 1 by 3. So 1 whole 1 by 3 will be the final answer of number A. Now number B. Number B says 90 divided by 50. This is already given in the division form. So we are converting this one as fraction. Okay. Now 90 and 50 both can be divisible by 10. Okay. Then it will be 9 by 5. Now convert this one. 9 by 5. 5 1 is 5. Remainder is 4. So our final answer should be 1 whole 4 by 5. Very simple. Next one. 60 divided by 45. So 60 divided by 45. We can divide both numerator and denominator by 15. 15 4 is 60 and 15 3 is 45. And we have already find out 4 by 3 is equal to 1 whole 1 by 3. So 1 whole 1 by 3 will be the final answer. And number D, 100 divided by 75. 100 divided by 75. Both can be divisible by 25. So we can write 100 divided by 25. That will be 4. 75 divided by 25, it will be 3. And what is 4 by 3? We have already found out. That is 1 whole 1 by 3. That is your final answer. Very simple. Now number 3. Look at number 3. Number 3 says simplify and convert it as mixed number where possible. That is very simple. So at first add 1, 7 and 5. Just add the whole number. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 5, that will be 13. Simple. Then if 2 by 9, 3 by 9 and 1 by 9, these fractions are like fraction, then we will add just the numerator. Yes, 2 by 9, 3 by 9 and 1 by 9 are like fraction. That means denominators are same. Then what will you do? We will just add the numerator. 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 1, that is 6. So 30 whole 6 by 9 will be the answer. But we can convert it as lowest term. How? By dividing 6 and 9 by 3. We don't need to divide this whole number. When we're converting to lowest term, we have to convert only the fraction. Be careful, okay? So 6 divided by 3, it will be 2. 9 divided by 3, it will be 3. So 13 whole 2 by 3 will be the answer of number A. Now number B. Number B, we can see that all fractions are like fraction. 18, 18, 18. So all fractions are like fraction. So we'll just add the numerator. 8 plus 7 plus 6. 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 6, that will be 21. So 21 divided by 18. Now 21 and 18 both can be divisible by 3. So 3 is 7 is 21 and 3 6 is 8. Now we can divide 7 by 6. 6 on just 6, remainder 1. So our final answer should be 1 whole 1 by 6. Look, 7 by 6 is improper fraction. That's why we can convert this improper into mixed number. So be careful. We can only convert improper into mixed or mixed into improper. Be careful. Okay. Now number 6. Number 6 is 5 whole 4 by 5 minus 3 whole 1 by 5. So look at this. At first, subtract the whole number. 5 minus 3, that will be 2. Okay. Then 4 by 5 and 1 by 5 are like fraction. So we will just subtract the numerator. 4 minus 1. What is 4 minus 1? That will be 3. So 2 whole 3 by 5 will be the answer of number C. Very simple. Now number D. Number D is 12 by 15 minus 9 by 15. Look, both fractions are like fraction. So we will just subtract the numerator. 12 minus 9, that will be 3. So 3 divided by 15. Now we can divide both numerator and denominator by 3. Then it will be 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja 15. So 1 by 5 will be the final answer of number D. Now number E. Number E, look at this. If we add 3 and 1, what will it be? It will be 4. Because at first we have to add the whole number. 3 plus 1, that is 4. Then 1 by 7 and 1 by 7 both are like fractions. So we will just add the numerator. 1 plus 1, that will be 2. So 4 whole 2 by 7 will be the final answer of number E. Now number F. 6 minus 2. First subtract the whole number. 6 minus 2, that will be 4. Okay. Now, if we look at 5 by 6 and 1 by 6, we can easily say both are like fraction. Then what will we do? We have to just subtract the numerator. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1, that will be 4. 5 minus 1, that will be 4. Now, 4 by 6, this one, this fraction can be divisible by 2. So, our final answer will be 4 divided by 2, that will be 2. 6 divided by 2, it will be 3. So 4 whole 2 by 3 will be the final answer of number F. Simple. Now 15 and 3, we can add it. 15 plus 3, that will be 18. Okay. So 3 by 8 and 1 by 8 both are like fraction. So just add the numerator. 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1, that is 4. Now we can divide both numerator and denominator by 4. Then it will be 1 by 2. Simple. Okay. By dividing 4 and 8 by 4. Now, number 8, our last problem. At first, subtract the whole number. 10 minus 6. What is 10 minus 6? That will be 4. And 9 by 16 and 1 by 16 both are like fraction. So what will you do? We have to subtract the numerator. So what is 9 minus 1? 9 minus 1, that will be 8. Okay. So 4 whole 8 by 16 will be the answer. But we can divide both numerator and denominator by 8. Then our final answer should be 8 divided by 8, 1. 16 divided by 8, that will be 2. 4 whole 1 by 2. And in this way, we can easily solve this worksheet.